Hey there everyone, welcome back again to another video of Engineering Pritam. In this video of Engineering Pritam, we're going to talk about one of the most famous 3D parametric engineering software known as CATIA. How you can download it and what happened to CATIA V5. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here you can see my computer screen, and if you are enthusiast or hobbyist like me, or you are a student, then the best way to get CATIA is to go for student version. Student version comes with all the capability, except you may not able to open those files built in student version in commercial version, and of course we are not authorized to use student version for commercial purpose. If you want to use it commercially, then if you are working for a company, you can ask them to buy CATIA license and then IT will take care of. Else for those users like me who are enthusiasts who cannot spend thousands of dollars to purchase commercial license, they can have student version. So let me show you step by step how you can download and install it. So first of all, let's look for CATIA student version and especially V5. So here is the link, and I can actually also provide this direct link in the description of this video so that you can reach to this page. Now here in CATIA website, it clearly says that CATIA V5 student version is no longer available for student online, which means that now you may not be able to use the previous generation of CATIA, which is CATIA V5, and you will have to use CATIA V6. Now there is a catch. CATIA V5 student version was available to download for free, but when we talk about CATIA V6, it is kind of free, I would say, considering the amount you need to pay. So here is the amount that one need to pay, which is $60, 60 euro and 48 pounds, which in my comparison is almost free, as in case of commercial users you need to pay thousands of dollars for the same software. So if you really want to learn CATIA, probably this is the way to go. You just need to pay the following amount, which is 60, 60, 48, which I would say is quite affordable, and then you can utilize this subscription for entire year. Now let's click here on buy now and get certified. And since I am from India, I'm gonna see the Indian price. And in India also it is quite cheap. It is 5,100, and if I try to convert it in USD, it is 57 US dollar. So I would say this 5100 INR is really a very good deal considering the kind of value that you can generate using this $60 software. Now after, of course, you need to click on proceed to checkout, and then here we need to create account. Okay, so if you already have account, probably you can simply sign in. If you are like me, then you need to create new account. Now let's quickly click here on create your account, and then here you need to fill out these information. Let me quickly do that. Now after filling this detail, click on I accept. Then here probably you need to enter the password again. Then from here you can select your country or region. So let me quickly select my country, and then let's click here on register. Now once you create your account, all you need to do is log in. Alright, so now here let's click here on student and then access portal. So once you clicked on it, here it shows that you don't have access to 3D experience platform. That kind of signifies that we do not have license available. Same is the situation with makers, which is nothing but, now in order to get access, all you need to do is you need to click here on student and then explore. Now from here what we need to do is we need to click on this option, which is 3D experience CATIA. Now let's click here on buy now. If you want to see what is included in this package, you need to click here on this option, which says 4 items included in this offer. Here you can see the following items are available inside this. So all you need to do here is you need to make a payment, and that's how you're going to get 1 year access of CATIA in your account ID. There is another way of getting CATIA for free, but for that you need to be very lucky, because first of all you need to be student studying in university, and then if I scroll down here, you need to be part of certain college or university. So for example, here you can see following are the leading university that are already using 3D experience. So if you're a student, you can also connect to your college IT admin, and if your college already have subscription of CATIA V6, probably then you do not need to spend your money to purchase license. So that's how guys one can get Catia for free as well as paid by investing minimal amount. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam for more such videos, and I will see you in one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.